All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. We got the full video coming to you right here on the YouTube. Today is a 2019 Chevy Silverado. This is a 1500 Z71 Texas Edition. It is sitting on a gorgeous FTS kit. Come on now. What does FTS stand for? Dude, do any of you guys know what FTS stands for? If you do, drop it in the comments. I want to know if you guys actually know. Do you know what RBP stands for? Drop it in the comments if you know. We're sitting on a set of 24x14 forged wheels, stretched on a set of 35, 12, 50, 20, 4 with tons of tread. Anyway, body's in really good shape, no rust. This truck is sitting on just over 65,000 miles. Amp electric step boards. Again, Texas Edition Z71. You got power driver's seat, heated seats, factory navigation. The interior is still in gorgeous shape, very consistent with 65,000 miles. The paint and body's in really good shape. No major damage. This truck's getting ready to go through full detail, so you guys will see this truck detailed out here shortly. It does have a rear bed cover. Nice little exhaust. Again, no rust. Super clean undercarriage, as you guys would always expect. FTS reservoirs in the front and rear. Back seat leathers still in very good shape as well. Headliner's clean. No big stains. Off-road floor mats. In case you guys want to go get this bastard all dirty, which I know you ain't going to. So this is a street princess, man. Factory trailing arms with the FTS kits. Again, power driver's seat. We're getting ready to hook up the train horns. This does have train horns, a little bit of additional lighting. 65,054 miles. This truck does have heated steering wheel as well. Flip up center console. That way you can set your girl. Look, she can set her butt right there, man. Anyway, all in all, very gorgeous truck, pretty truck. Some expensive things done to it. This truck is a deal. I think we're listing it for only like 36 grand. Memory seats, heated options, factory wood grain, factory Bose stereo. This truck you could actually probably easily run 37s if you want to go a little bit bigger. This truck will definitely handle it. I'm gonna say, I believe it's a 10-inch kit without looking, without measuring it out, but I'm pretty sure it's a 10-inch FTS kit. Again, Texas Edition Z71. A gorgeous truck in person. Look at that thing right there. She is sitting freaking fire. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this truck or any other trucks that we have coming in for sale, make sure you guys drop a like on this video. Give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. You guys can find us right here in the greater Charleston area. Charleston, South Carolina, Deluxe Motorsports. We got more and more trucks coming in daily. Between Monday and Tuesday, I think I bought 12 new ones. So you guys will be seeing me post more videos. If you guys want to see these trucks of like what's new, what inventory is coming out, YouTube's the last stop. That's when I do the finishing videos. When I first buy these trucks, I post them on my Instagram and my Facebook stories. So if you haven't followed us on Instagram, make sure you do. Deluxe_motorsports. That'll find you right there on the gram. That's the easiest way to see what I bought new. Like, I post one picture of it, quick description of what it is, and then if you guys have any questions about it, you just shoot me a DM. Again, 2019 Texas Edition Z71, just over 65,000 original miles, sitting on an FTS kit, forged wheels. You guys know the deal. Give us a call direct, 843-697-7501.